Hi everyone, my name is Megha and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, we will learn how to increase our band in reading every day. So let's get started with the reading overview first. As we all know that IELTS is a proficiency test which checks how proficient we are in 4 areas, namely reading, listening, writing and speaking. In this video, we will focus only on reading. In reading, we get 1 hour in total and total number of questions would be 40. In academic test, we can get 3 passages, whereas in general training test, we can get up to 5 passages. And we need to solve all this within 60 minutes. There is no extra time given to transfer our answers. Also, do you know how many question types are there in reading module? In total, we have 14 question types and there are different tips and tricks to do all those question types. Out of those 14 question types, we have certain question types which would definitely be there in your paper, because the probability of them coming in your exam is more than the others, which are true-false not given, MCQ, summary completion questions, matching information with people, and short answer or sentence completion type. There are more, but these can come definitely in your exam, and if you are appearing for academic, then matching headings also. I would be starting with some general tips which are applicable to almost all the types. In the later part, I would be discussing some question specific tips which would be helpful in doing certain types of questions. So let's get started with the general tips. The first thing that you have to underline after looking at the question paper are the instructions. That is the most important thing. Check whether the question is asking you to answer in no more than 2 words, 3 words or 1 word only. Step number 2, don't go to the passage but read the questions. After reading the questions, step number 3 includes underline the keywords. Keywords should, all the proper nouns are always our keywords and all the numbers also. If you don't have any proper noun or any number in the question, in that case you should go with a word which depicts the main meaning of the question. Now you need to scan, that means locate those keywords in the passage and find out the answer. These are applicable to many of the questions, and now I will start with some question specific tips. Let's start with true false not given. True and false, they have this similarity that the information about both would be given in the passage. So whenever you are attempting this type, you need to keep this in mind that for not given, you will not find anything. Question type number 2, which are MCQs. MCQs are very difficult for some people. Why? Because of the similar questions that are given in the question paper. So in that case, keep this thing in mind that if you are not sure about the correct answer, you can be sure about the incorrect answer and cut out the incorrect ones first. Then moving on to matching heading. We think that matching headings are very difficult to attempt, but you should know that your answer most of the time lies in first 2 lines or the last 2 lines. Remember that you have to find the main idea of the passage which is never given in the example. So take care of it. Moving to matching information with people. Generally, number of people given to you in the question would be more than the information. So locate the names first so that you can cut out the incorrect options. And last but not the least, global questions too. For global questions, you need to find the title of the passage. So those options which are only present in specific paragraphs, they should be cut out. Following these blindly is not enough to get 8 or more bands. Why? Because few of us are weak in some questions and good at some other questions. For that, you should start by giving mock test first and then see which ones to practice more. I hope you found the video helpful. See you all in the next one. Bye. Take care.